Okay, well, today is the 4th of March. So we have the non-farm payroll coming up tonight. I just wanted to do a quick video because I love uh, news that have a significant effect on the market, promotes volatility. So that's where the money is made when price start moving. I also want to talk about making big money by staying with the third wave. All right, so thought I look at gold. Um, so what we have here, as you can see, by labeling the chart out like this, you see you have your first wave, your second, you have your third. Once the third wave starts, always try your best to follow the third wave and never try to trade against the third wave. Okay? So uh, a big tip you can have is just drawing an arrow from the bottom to the top, right? That's how you know that's a third wave. And at this point, once it has exceeded this value, right? Just draw it real simple so everyone can see. Just draw it here, right? Now, it's also important to know the bias, right? The bias is because price action here has got the probability of reaching 2,000, all right? But if it does not reach 2,000 and it spins down to around 1860, that means this is coming down as well. But if this does not happen, that means that can happen. So if from these levels, from this level here, after you get a one move, a sideways, and a move up to here, right? And it extends beyond, that is when you start to put on the moving averages, because moving average is what allows you to stay in the third wave. And when this third wave start, they do not come back, and it's a very good gauge. Not a good gauge, it's a very good way to prevent trading impulse correction, impulse like that. All right, because you're trading against the trend, impulse correction, impulse ideas do not work, or they have enough failure rate to make one lose a lot of money. So rather use the moving average strategy once it's in the third wave, because you just bounce, you see how it just bounces and crawls, comes back, Ichimoku cloud, and it just keeps following because it's now in the third wave, right? And until we see price action start to come back down below 1860, 167 and pull back, that's where you look for the move down as well. Start to look for the move down, right? Otherwise, you're going to stay the third wave. So market conditions are such that once it reaches here, you could get a double top. The double top could be also here on the monthly. This is also a top, see? You could continue all the way up there. And if you see a double top, that means price can be on its way back down. Look for a bearish engulfing candle on the monthly, and this can be coming back down. So until that happens, we just stay with the trend. So this is the way of making a lot of money with third waves. 1, 2, 3. Stay with the third waves. Using the moving averages. Yeah. So around this level over here, we know why this level, right? Because of that, right? Okay. A third wave, just once price goes beyond this level over here, it could be a third wave. So always look for opportunity to follow the third wave, okay? So this is gold. Not a very difficult, not difficult. You can make a lot of money, along this. When you bounce back, look for a bullish price action over here. See green is stronger than the red, you can buy. It takes out the red, you can buy. Come at Ichimoku, you can't buy it here. This one you can buy over here. You can buy it here, you can buy it here, you can buy it here. Okay. So yeah. So important to stay with the trade for as long as we can. All right. Don't just buy here to exit too soon. Try to stay in the trade and try to hit levels like up here. Because time in the market is important. To make a lot of money, we need to be able to stay in the market for a long time. Because one winning trade is really all you need to have significant growth in the account. All right, 10%, 20% growth you can have. Right, by keeping the stop loss tight, by keeping a stop loss tight, and then you go for something big like that. Oh, you see. So time the market is very important. Make sure you stay in it, and then time the entries well. Don't buy here. Don't buy here. Buy when it pulls back, and then try to fight all the way to the top. Okay, let's go. I can show you another example very quickly. How to examples of how to make money with third waves. Another one is pound Aus, like here. I just removed that as well. Easy, right? Easy. This is the secrets of top traders, top investors. Actually, I think a top trader is much better than an investor. You know, investors just want to stay in the market for as long as they can with good companies, right? Well, as a CFD trader, you not only must stay in the market, you must also be your timing must be very, very good. Otherwise, you trade on leverage. That means that you don't want to stay in the market for too long. You don't want to expose yourself for too long. So you get it only at the precise moment, right? So this is another one. This is pound loss. Can make about 700 pips, 7,000 over points. Multiply that about 1 cent a lot, that's $7,000, right? Easily. 10 cent loss, that's $70,000. It's big, big money, all right? So over here, I'll just show you real quick. I had one, over here, see. So this was forecasted in January 24th. Now it's March. So basically, you were always looking for, boom, a break of this trend. Boom. Can even get to here. But here you can actually take off some. Your entry is up there, up here. Not here. I always say, don't try to pick the tops. Try to pick it anywhere here when it's on its way down. Don't try to force this down. We cannot force this down. You just join in when it's on its way. All right. So how do we do that? Right? We have the bias. How do we do that? It's easy. Let me show you. Just like this. You didn't buy it. You didn't sell here. You didn't sell 1, 2, 3. Okay. Correction. Now you see all these trend lines are being broken. Right? So if you want, you can actually do something like this. And then do what? Then do it like that. So when can we confirm it's a third wave? The third wave means it must be longer than the first. That's typical Elliott wave, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, right? This third wave will just keep extending. So you just make sure that look for a reason to keep staying in the third wave. Impulse, correction, a third wave impulse, right? Easy. This is big money, man. This is where the big money is. 700 pips. You make a lot of money, all right? Easy. So that's it. Need the Ichimoku cloud. It's exactly the same as gold. At this point onwards, you can see pullback, sell, a little flex down, up, boom, doom, down, boom. Okay, so that's a lot of money. Yeah, 500 over pips. Okay, so I hope these tips help you. Impulse correction, impulse. If you can get a third wave type of impulse by following this method, I think you should do quite well. Because, yeah. So go and pound us. Anything I want to share? I think that's all I want to share. But for now, and good luck on the non-farm tonight. Okay, thanks everyone, and bye-bye.